Yukon Gold or russet potatoes.
Isn't that nice?
Perfect. All the way through. You want the potato chips to be nice and crispy and brown and not black on the edges and soggy in the middle, right? Onions already caramelized that Chris did for me earlier. To that, you're going to add a little bit of soup base and sour cream.
Oh my.
Right?
Good tip. Good.
A little acidity, some kind of vinegar, usually apple cider or white wine vinegar, something like that, right? Just a teaspoon of that. And some fresh chopped parsley. Carefully you don't burn yourself. Okay?
That's just butter in
It's vegetable oil. Okay, there you go, a perfect potato chip.
Oh my goodness. They're
Whatever
good.
works. Whatever.
Good?
You use whatever. You get the same result.
Absolute Scott.